If you have just purchased a new MacBook Neo, here's how to extend its battery life, maintain long-term battery health, and prevent battery drain. On macOS Tahoe, click the System Settings. In the sidebar, click Battery, then click the Charging Info button to access the charge limit. This is one of the most useful features of macOS Tahoe. Keeping your battery between 20% and 80% helps reduce stress on the lithium-ion battery and can extend its lifespan over time. On newer macOS versions, your Mac will pause charging around 80%, using features like optimized battery charging or a charge limit. For best results, try to avoid frequently charging to 100% or letting it drop below 20%. However, if you need longer battery life, it's perfectly fine to charge it to 100% when needed. In brief, try to keep the charge between 20% and 80%. However, your Mac occasionally ignores your settings and charges the battery to 100% to help the battery management system in macOS estimate the battery level accurately. Another way to increase your MacBook's battery life is to enable low power mode, which reduces energy usage. You can set it to always or only on battery. If you are looking for more ways to reduce unnecessary battery usage, watch my 10 smart fixes. And if you are curious to know how I managed to keep my MacBook Pro's battery at 100% health even after 1 year of use, watch this one at the end of this tutorial, or access the links in the description box below this video by clicking on More. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.